came to this video because you're looking for a way to make money online. In fact, you're looking for an easy way to make money online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid $1.50 per click. So the real question is, how many times can you click to make the amount that you're looking for to make money online? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly where you need to go in order to start clicking on ads and getting paid $1.50. So go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It allows me to reach more people just like you so they can understand exactly how to use this method in order to start making money online. $1.50 per click is a really easy way to make money online, and you're going to be able to learn that throughout the course of this video. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss another Make Money Online video on my YouTube channel. Sometimes I do take my videos down, and also if you want to see the progression as I continue to use this method inside this video and the proof and everything inside this video, you're going to be able to see all of those things. And also whenever you subscribe, you're going to see all of the updates as I continue to grow this channel. As you guys already know, the word of the day is $1.50. All you got to put is $1.50 in the comment section of this video right here. And I do a giveaway every single Friday where I actually give away my courses and my trainings right on this channel. Okay, so all you got to do is comment to enter into that giveaway, and that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and dive into the computer and let's get after this method. All right, so I arrived on the website, and like I said again, all you have to do is just click ads here and you'll be able to earn money, and then you'll cash out. The ways that you can cash out is through Skrill, Neteller, Payer, AirTM, Bitcoin. There's also Litecoin, and there's other options also inside to be able to cash out. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit register right here, and then you're going to put your name, enter all your information on this page. Once you get done with entering all this information here, you're going to be able to enter your information to get paid out. Okay, so depending on what account that you have that you want to get paid out through, it could be Litecoin, Dash, AirTM, Skrill, Neteller. I like to use Bitcoin because I can cash out through my Cash App, and I also like to trade too as well. And so Bitcoin is very good for me to be able to use. So once you get done filling out all this information, you're going to hit register. And the very first thing that you want to do in order to start making money by clicking ads is by going to Earn More, and you're going to go to Scarlet Grid. On the Scarlet Grid is nothing more than basically clicking on any one of these images. So on this page, what you're going to do, since you went ahead and clicked on this image here, all you can see is I've already started clicking on some of these images here. And all you have to do is basically just click on any one of these little images here. There's actually 540 images right here. And if you do the math here for the average potential per day, as you can see, there's like I said, 540 one of these blocks here. And if you times that by $1.50, that equals out to be $810 per day in potential income that you can make just by clicking on ads, guys. Another thing that you can do, they allow you to go ahead and upgrade your account too as well, so that you can go ahead and earn more, even more than what I'm saying on this video per click, if you go ahead and upgrade your account with Scarlet Clicks. So in conclusion, if you're using this method, you're going to want to use it with multiple different methods. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a brief disclaimer here, and this is just one term of income that you can make for doing this online. Okay, you can do this at one part of the day, and then you can introduce other streams of income like I've already introduced on this YouTube channel to increase the amount of money that you're making per day. Now obviously this is something that can make instant money along with other methods that I'm going to be sharing on this YouTube channel as well. But this is a long-term passive income strategy I've actually been implementing on my YouTube channel as well as other YouTube channels that I'm growing right now. I'm currently growing a meditation channel, and so it doesn't require me to show my face on that YouTube channel. However, in about 3 months from now, I'll be able to start earning from that in passive income every single month just by posting videos that are already going viral on the internet. Okay, and if you want to follow that strategy, there should be a video popping up on the screen right now where you can go ahead and follow that video as well. Another strategy that we use is called the ClickBank strategy. If you've never heard of ClickBank, it is a digital platform that allows you to become an affiliate of every single product on there, and you're able to earn anywhere between 50 and 75% commissions just for promoting their product. So if somebody clicks your link right off of any one of your videos using my strategy and they actually purchase the product, you're going to get a commission for that as well. So you want to have all of these streams of income working at once. I suggest doing this maybe in the morning and then right before you go to bed, And then during the day, you want to start doing your research, finding YouTube channels, finding videos, finding your niche that you want to go into. Like I said, my niche is meditation. So meditation channel is something that's easy for me to grasp because I meditate on a daily basis. And then ClickBank is something that I started with in the beginning of my career online as affiliate marketer, and I was making between $200 and $500 in a day, and as much as $1,500 in a week is what I made from that as well. And that was all pretty much autopilot. It took me just maybe 5 minutes to make a video, and then that video just sat and made me money on my YouTube channel for promoting ClickBank products. Okay, and so you can find all these strategies on my YouTube channel. You can just search. I'm always out there creating new videos to help individuals like yourself and also myself to create more income as I continue to go on. Now, obviously, I'm at a different level and I don't do a lot of these things anymore. However, I do outsource things that are making me significant amounts of money per day. That way, I'm always in the game. I'm always doing things that are making money, and whatever I do find, I'm always making money with those strategies. So I suggested you guys do the same once you get to a point where you're like, you know what, I don't want to click on ads anymore. I'm going to pay my cousin, maybe half of this to click on ads for you, and then you guys can split the cost there, and you don't have to do the work. And then you can just work on your other streams of income, and that's pretty much what you want to do because you're your own boss at the end of the day, And so this is what you guys need to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is the conclusion, guys. This strategy takes time to actually start building up. You're not going to start off at $1.50 per click, but you're going to start off at a reasonable amount. And as you continue to advertise and as they trust you on that platform, you're going to be able to earn more and more money. And then at the same time, you can start referring people into your business. That will speed up the process of you being able to make more per click using that site. Okay. So you guys take care. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you learned a few things here that you never learned before coming to this video, and that you're going to implement. Guys, take care, and I'll definitely see you at the top.